student. Myself Mukesh Kumar. Today our topic is problems of determinant. In CBSE examination, you will always see this topic for 4 marks. Question is like this: using property, show the determinant or prove the determinant. So here I have taken a question, exercise 4.2, question number 14. This question is, here is a determinant given and we have to prove that this will be equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So what we have to do when a question is given? So see here, what we should think? We always look like trigonometry. So RHS is this, how we will get the RHS? So simple method is that, if be possible, here you are saying b square, c square is not in the first row or first column. Here is b square and here is c square, and we have to prove that 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, like this. And here given ab, bc, ac, like product of the two elements. So if question is like this, then there is an easy method for us. You can multiply any row or any column by a, b, c. So suppose we multiply this determinant as a, b, c by a, b, c, and this can be written as a square plus 1 ab, ac, ab, b square plus 1 bc, ca, cb, c square plus 1. Why here I have written abc by abc? Because we can multiply by abc and also divide by abc. So this does not change the value of the determinant, and use it as multiply r1 to a, r1 a into r1 and b into r2, b into r2 and c into r3. Then what happens? This a multiply to this, b multiply to this and c multiply to this. So this can be written as, here remaining term will be 1 upon a, b, c into multiply with a. So see here what I have to write, a into a square plus 1. Here is your a square b and here is your a square c, like this. So can you calculate what happened when we multiply to b? So you can write here a b square b into b square plus 1 and b square c. Again multiply c to r3. So multiply this with c. So you can write c square a, c square b and c into c square plus 1. So this can be written as, again see here, a we can take as common from c1, and b we can take common from c2, and c we can take common from c3. So taking common ABC from C1, C2 and C3. यहाँ हमने क्या किया कि A लिया हमने C1 से कॉमन, C1 कॉलम से, B लिया C2 से और C लिया C3 से कॉमन. So this will, here we will get, in place of 1 we will get A, B, C. So this can be written as A, B, C upon A, B, C, and this will be equal to a square plus 1. We have taken a common from here, and here will be b square and here will be c square. Taken a as common, a all is common. If we take b is common, b, this will be outside the determinant. So remaining will be a square, b square plus 1, and here will be c square. And if we take here c as common, so a square, b square, c square plus 1. A square, b square, c square plus 1. So what is the change in the problem? See here, what is the change? Here is problem is given in the terms of product of two terms, but it becomes a square of the two terms by multiplying r1 and taking common from columns c1, c2, c3. So these two will cancel each other and you will get 1. So these two will be cancelled and you will get 1 into determinant of. So watch here, what happens if you solve. here RHS is given 1 plus A square plus B square. How you can get here? If you add R1 to, if you apply the notation R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3, then what happens here? A1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, and here 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, and here 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, and below it terms it, only change will be in R1, remaining term will be same, B square plus 1, B square, C square, C square, C square plus 1. So can you guess how you will get the answer? See here, your answer will be 1 plus A square plus B square. So you can take 1 plus A square plus B square common using the property. So this can be written as 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Take common from first row. So remaining element here will be 1 B square, C square, 1 B square plus 1 C square, and here 1 B square, C square plus 1. So if you take common from 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, take common from R1. Right here, take common from R1. So this determinants can be written in the form of this. This is your answer. So what is its meaning? That means if you solve it, you will get 1. Answer is given. These two are same. So that means if you solve this, you will get 1. So try to solve it. To solving this, it is necessary to simplify it. So 1 tends to C2 minus C1 and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. What is the use of this property? That means you will subtract 1 minus 1, you will get 0. So first write your C1, 1 B square C square, and here will be 1 minus 1, 0. B square plus 1 minus B square, you will get 1. C square minus C square, you will get 0. And 1 minus 1, you will get 0. And B square minus B square, you will get again 0. And C square plus 1 minus C square, you will get again 1. So expanding by first row, expanding by first row, yeah, by R1. So this can be written as, this can is equal to 1 into 1 0 0 1. So this will equal to 1. So this will 1. That means the value of this determinant will be 1. So your answer will be 1 plus A square plus B square. So you can say that your answer will be, so A square 1, this means into A square plus B, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So your answer will be 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. This is the solution of the problem. So you are seeing what I have done. We have used here property and try to solve the determinant using maximize the maximum 0. And after getting 0, we will expand it and we will get the result. So you have to do in every problem. First, your tendency may be try to get the RHS. If it is not possible, you are not getting directly, then try to get maximum 0 in the row or column of the problem, and expanding by any row and any column, you will always watch your answer. You have to find the answer RHS. So if you do so, you will get the solution of the problem. Now our next question is from miscellaneous exercise, question number 12. Question is x square 1 plus px cube by square 1 plus p by cube z square 1 plus pz cube is equal to 1 plus pxyz x minus y minus z and z minus x. So we have to try to see the RHS, and here what we have to do, here it is given x minus y. So if you subtract here R1 to R2, you will get x minus y. Here you will get x square minus y square, and here you will get x cube minus y cube. So we have to use the notation R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So this can be written as, we have to change in R1. So this will be your x minus y. Here will be x square minus y square, and this can be written as p into x cube minus y cube, like this. So 1 plus px cube minus 1 minus p y cube, 1 and 1 will be cancelled. So p common, x cube minus y cube, like this. And again use the property. Here next is y minus z, y minus z. So again R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Then what happens? See here can be written as y minus z, and here y square minus z square, and this can be written as p into y cube minus z cube, and last term is z square 1 plus pz cube, like this. Check here. Here will be y minus z, y square minus z square, or y cube minus z cube. All are from R1. You can take x minus y as common, and R2 you can take y minus z is common. So this will be equal to, this can be written as x minus y into y minus z, taking common from R1 and R2. So remaining term will be, here will be 1, here will be x plus y, and here will be p into x square plus y square plus xy, a minus a cube minus b cube whole cube, using the formula, and you can write here 1, here will be y plus z, and here will be p into y square plus z square plus yz, and remaining term will be z square 1 plus pz cube, like so. Again see, these two terms will be obtained. So this and this will be obtained. Now we have to find z minus x or 1 plus px by z, like this. How you will get z minus x? Check here. How you will get z minus x? If you subtract R1 from R2, then what happens? You can write R2 tends to R2 minus R1. So you can write here, this will be your R1 will no change. So here will be 1 x plus y p into x square plus y square plus xy, and if you subtract by R2, so 1 minus 1 is your 0, and y and y will be y plus z minus x minus y, so y and y will be cancelled, so you will get z minus x, and here p into y square plus z square plus yz, subtract this. So y square and y take p as common. So you will get, here will be z square minus x square plus xy plus yz minus xy. You can check here. This can be written as p into y square plus z square plus yz minus x square minus y square minus xy. So y square and y square will be cancelled, and here you will get z square minus x square. So this can be written as z plus x into z minus x, and from these two terms you can take plus y as common. So this will be your again z minus x. So from these two terms you can take z minus x as common. So this can be written as x plus y plus z. So solving these terms, you will write this will be equal to z minus x into x plus y plus z, and last term will be z square 1 plus pz cube. So watch, this calculation is important to read this. Again, next step is your, this can be written as, from here we can write this will be equal to x minus y into y minus z into, you can write 1 x plus y p into x square plus y square p into x square plus y square plus xy, and here will be 0 z minus x, and here your z minus x into p into x plus y plus z, and last term will be z square 1 plus pzq. And from this R2 you can take z minus x is common. So this can be written as x minus y minus z into z minus x, and remaining term will be 1 x plus y p into x square plus y square plus xy. Here will be 0, 1 p into x plus y plus z. Here will be z square 1 plus pzq, like this. And our last term is we will get x minus y minus z minus x. That means solving this determinant, we will get 1 plus p into x into y into z. This is our tendency. So if you solve it, we will get this result. So here will be 0. So if we expand it, if you expand by C1, then what happened? This can be written as x minus y minus z into z minus x into, if you solve it, this can be written as 1 into these two terms, multiply these two terms. So you can write 1 plus pzq minus p multiplied pz square to this term. So this can be written as pxz square plus minus p by z square minus pzq. Once again check. 1 to 1 plus pzq, 1 plus pzq, and pz square to this term. So pxz square, p by z square, and pzq. pzq will cancel. Again plus z into x plus y to this term. So first multiply x to all these terms. So this will be equal to z into, see here, z into x multiply to this. So this will be your px to x, px square plus pxy plus pxz plus by to this pxy plus p by square plus p by z minus, take here 1 to this. So this will your px square minus p by square minus pxy. Check this is correct or not. So px square will be cancelled, p by square and p by square will be cancelled. You can get here pxy and here pxy, and here your pxy and pxy will be again cancelled. So this will be equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into, we can write 1 into multiply this term 1 plus, here check here, pxz square, and again where is pxz square, we have to get pxyz, answer will be pxyz. So where is pxyz, z into multiply here 1 plus 1 minus, right here 1 minus pxz square minus p by z square plus z into this term. So this will your pxz square and z into this term plus px, right here, plus pxyz and multiply z to this. So minus plus p by z square, and check here this p by x square and p by z square, these two will be cancelled. So this will be your 1 plus px by z. So this can be written as x minus y minus z minus x into 1 plus pxyz. So this is important question of CBSE. And check here, if you want to clarify the calculation, then do yourself, you will have more confidence to solve the determinant. And in similar way, you try to solve all questions of exercise 4.2. Now there is some important question from CBSE for your practice. See here, here is the question 2016, 17, 18 and 19. Question is b plus c whole square, a square bc, c plus a square, b square ca, a plus b whole square, c square ab. This will equal to a minus b minus c minus a into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square. Next question is asked in 2019. So this will your b plus c a b c plus a b c a plus b, and we have to prove this will equal to 4abc. Third question is 2017. So this will your a square plus 2a plus 1 and 1, 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, and this will equal to a minus b, a minus 1 whole cube. Last question is your 2018. So determinant of 1, 1, 1 plus 3x, 1 plus 3y, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 3z, 1. This will equal to 9 into 3xyz plus xy plus yz plus zx. Dear student, listen to me. These questions are written as in the examination using property of determinant. You have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. So you have to solve these questions using the property of determinant. Thank you.